So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can assign separate ringtones for individual contacts on our contact list. So this feature is very useful, and the next time when you hear a specific ringtone, you know that someone special has called. So how do we do this? So it's very easy. Head towards the contact application first. Now inside the contact application, go ahead and select the contact that you want to assign a specific ringtone. So once you have opened up the contact, tap on edit, tap on view more, scroll down until you see ringtone. Now it will be selected to the default ringtone. You can go ahead and change it to any specific ringtone that you want. Once you have done this, now what happens is go back, tap on save, and that's it. If you now tap on edit and tap on view more, you will see at the bottom the ringtone that you have assigned will now appear. So next time when the contact calls, so next time when Amlan Geo calls, it will have the specific ringtone attached to it. So I will know that it's Amlan who is calling, because for the rest, the default ringtone will still ring. So this is how I can assign separate ringtones for separate contacts on my contact list. So hopefully now you understand the process. It's very simple. I simply went ahead to like the contact on the contact list, tapped on edit, tapped on view more, scrolled down until I saw the ringtone section, and then assigned the specific ringtone that I want. So if you think that this tutorial is helpful, please go ahead and subscribe, and also do share this with your friends and family. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.